So there we have it. I've gone for a top with a massive Peter Pan collar, and then down here I've done a pleated skirt. It's got a dropped waist using the box pleats. So one last one, and this one I'm going to try and incorporate all of the different techniques that I've done. To imagine, but I've just kind of pinned it in the flow of how I've done this first one here. So we've got the smocking, we've got the pleating, we've got the quilling, so that's how that would look. Yeah, so I know it's hard to picture again because that sample was all, as you know, sewn together, so I'm just trying to give a bit of an impression, but you can see on my drawing that I wanted to do these big ruffled kind of sleeves, and I wanted to do the multiple twists, pleating over here and some more pleating down here as a panel, and then it was going to be just a tiered sort of skirt. Yeah, that's that one. Absolutely love the sleeves on there. I could imagine those really quite huge, like that. So this one would go around the neckline, so which would look yummy. I really like that, particularly as it's a colour I adore. So that would go around the neckline. So nice high neckline with these puffy sleeves. So it's just that bit there. Multiple twist knife pleat around the cuffs of, like so, around those. Peter Pan collar, so huge collar, and I thought it'd be nice in this multiple twist pleated one. Then this dropped waist of the pleated skirt. Just pin that on quickly. Okay. So yeah, again, imagine that dropped waist in this fabric here. It's funny, I was just pinning that slashing sample on the side. I was just thinking, wow, that looks beautiful. You know, when you just pin on fabrics just to see how they hold on, that isn't to do with the design. So I'll just carry on. So this was the final drawing that I did. You've got the big puffy sleeves, and I've tried to include all the different techniques. This part here is going to be slashing of the fabric, and then we've got this waistband here with the trapunto, so I would do it sort of more like quilting, so it's just a little bit padded so it doesn't give any extra layers to the waist. Then I'd have some pleating, smocking into the ruffles, so you can see that's what the skirt was going to look like here. So I really like the flow actually from the smocking into the ruffles. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure you hit the notification button as well. So I hope you liked the fashion drawings that I did. Sort of see how a project can pull together. It has taken me weeks because of the videos that I've been creating. Hopefully you can get a general idea of just different materials that you can use, different textile techniques, and maybe give them a go if you've not tried them before. Thanks so much guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!